un'estate all'italiana, non si può dimenticare, questo solo ci vuole, che ti parlano d'amore, con incontri soli.
Merloni Termo Sanitari Spa, Italy, the world leaders in manufacturing and marketing of water and space heating appliances and components, entered the Indian market as a partnership venture, and Merloni Termo Sanitari India Limited, or MTS India, was formed in 1997. MTS in 1999 transformed its partnership venture into a 100% owned subsidiary, and a new, fully integrated water heater plant was set up at Chakan, near Pune. Today, with Racold as their flagship brand, MTS India is the largest manufacturer and seller of water heaters in India. The new generation water heaters redefined industry standards and set new benchmarks in aesthetics, quality and performance. This success is attributed to some of its most innovative designs and technology introduced in the Indian market. Hence, its corporate objective remains customer satisfaction through product innovation. MTS India's product development involves understanding the consumer's perception and market requirement. The product development department works on consumer research data and the most modern technology to build working prototypes. These prototypes are rigorously tried and tested before being put on the production floor. The inner container is built using special grade stainless steel sourced from global markets for enhanced durability and superior performance. The incoming steel is tested for their carbide precipitation and mechanical properties before they are finally fashioned into the inner container. Superior welding procedures are employed to obtain strong, flawless, corrosion-resistant joints. Each inner container is 100% tested under high pneumatic and hydraulic pressure to detect minute leakages and to check for quality of welding, thus ensuring a leak-proof tank that can withstand very high operating pressure. Imported wire is placed in the copper tube, which is then filled with magnesium oxide powder, the most reliable electrical insulator and a good thermal conductor. The tube is then compacted and annealed, a process that softens the element. It is turned and coiled into the desired form before the ends are sealed. The elements are periodically radiographed to check for fault locations, thereby ensuring high quality standards. To ensure high quality and finish, molding of plastic components is done in-house using a 1000 metric ton injection molding machine. The polypropylene body, besides being rust-proof and non-corrosive, also offers good looks and longevity to the products. As the first company to introduce PUF insulation for water heaters, this technology for thermal insulation goes a long way in energy conservation, with energy savings of up to 50%. The finished components are then put together to each packed box is bar-coded to give it a unique identity, thereby enabling easy tracking. The major milestones achieved by MTS India are: it is the first company to introduce stainless steel inner container for water heaters as against the conventional copper container. Stainless steel containers with plasma tungsten inert gas welding are able to withstand high operating pressures, besides being extremely durable and hygienic. With the use of multifunctional valves, it is now possible to use water heaters even under extreme conditions where the operating pressure is very high without using additional pressure-reducing valve. The thermostat assures effective regulation of water temperature, thereby optimizing energy consumption, while its reliable Italian cutout acts as a second safety device for enhanced safety. The first Indian company with products conforming to international standards and approval. Our people are experienced and trained for quality consciousness, keeping in mind the international standards. Regular training is imparted on new technology, methodology and practices. MTS India's established EDP tools assure smooth functioning of business activities. It constantly strives towards removing the lacunae and ensures accuracy and stability of the system. The BPCS package provides a comprehensive set of integrated applications for business operations. The system integrates the supply chain management functions with various manufacturing and accounting functions, thus enabling effective planning, implementation, and smooth functioning of the organization. Effective distribution is the backbone of every business operation. Our channel partners cover the length and breadth of the country. They ensure availability of our products and services. The Indian operations occupies a unique position in MTS Group's global business strategy, as it is the only plant which uses stainless steel inner containers for water heaters. The MTS product range from India is manufactured under the most stringent quality and safety specifications, conforming to international standards. Exports from India have been successfully catering to the rising worldwide demand for stainless steel water heaters. Products from this plant are already being exported to Southeast Asia, Middle East and Africa, with Egypt, Russia and other European countries.
The polypropylene body was a very pioneering concept brought in by Rackall. It has totally changed the whole outlook of the water heater. The polypropylene body ensures